Hi, this is Jinqing Liang. My capstone project is automatic aneurysm detection using 3D cerebral angiography. What is an aneurysm and why do we want to detect aneurysm use deep learning method? Aneurysm occur to our arteries. When the artery wall become weak for complex reasons, the blood flow can push the artery wall and form a bulge. We will see a little bump on the artery. People usually do not feel anything wrong until it gets ruptured. The rupture of an artery is life-threatening, in which 40% of aneurysm rupture causes deaths within 24 hours. Aneurysms that occur in the brain and the heart are the most dangerous ones. In this project, I focused on the aneurysm detection in brain using deep neural network. Here's a diagram showing two types of aneurysm: fusiform aneurysm and circular aneurysm. As I mentioned before, aneurysm is the bulge on the artery wall, as shown in the image on the left. The bulge happens at the outside of blood vessel, which is called fusiform aneurysm. And the circular aneurysm refers to the aneurysm happen on one side of the blood vessel. The previous research results show that the bigger bulge have more chance to get ruptured. There are a few different types of brain image technique, including the regular X-ray, CT, MRI. For brain artery image, the MRA scan is the preferable because it shows the arteries. MRI stands for magnetic resonance angiogram. It is a type of MRI imaging. The standard MRA doesn't have a good picture for blood vessels. MRA or TOF MRA is based on the blood flow related enhancement, which generates a better image of blood vessel. Here I will show you an example of RA image on the human brain. Aneurysm can happen on any part of artery wall. As you can see, it is tedious for a doctor to check every part of the blood vessels and find if an aneurysm is there. That's why I'm using neural network to detect aneurysm in brain is effective. Most of the published work detect aneurysm using the original series of 2D image dataset. However, the original dataset are usually pretty large and doesn't well represent the 3D structure, which is especially true for blood vessel. The unique part of my project is to use 3D reconstructed models of artery for aneurysm detection. The 3D model of blood vessels are reconstructed from the original MRI image. 3D can be represented in three different models: polygonal, voxel, and point cloud. In this project, I'm using the point cloud model because it is compact, has a small size, and focus on the details of the surface in 3D objects as well. Here is an example. To make the dataset suitable for neural network training, the arteries were segmented into small pieces. The artery segments are then grouped into two categories: the artery pieces with aneurysm and the arteries pieces without aneurysm. I will use PointNet to train the point cloud models for arteries. PointNet is more suitable for irregular 3D objects like blood vessels. However, PointNet treats every point as isolated point. I plan to improve it by incorporating the position information of neighbor points. Here are the references. If you have any question or feedback, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Of 3D point cloud model of a part of artery. As you can see in the movie, the red part is the normal artery wall and the blue part is the aneurysm.